Hello student, today we are going to learn the experiment of subject VLSI design. So what is VLSI design? Very large scale integration design. The subject code is 701 and this subject is recently added is our current semester 7 sem. So in this subject what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the experiment over Xilinx software. The list of experiment is here, you can see it displayed on your desktop or on your screen. So the what is the list of experiment? List of experiment is program of AND gate, XOR gate, BCD to gray code converter, XS3 to binary code, binary to XS3 code, half adder, full adder, half subtractor, multiplexer, and D type flip flop. These are your 10 experiment, and as you already aware of these all experiment because you have learned all these experiment in your digital circuit system subject DCS lab. The DCS lab, which I think probably be in your 4th or 5th semester. So all you have done this practical over your trainer board or your kit. So AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, BC to gray code converter, you are familiar with all these subject. So in our first experiment, you can see we are going to make a program for AND gate. The here first library, the software Xilinx automatically fetch our library. So the library you not need to think over more over this library. What you have to do, you have to just make the program. So this you can see here entity. What is entity? Entity AND gate. So entity is basically IC. You are going to burn a IC which is known as AND gate. In this AND gate, two is input A and B and single one is output C. Okay, so what would be the program? The program is you will write C assigned, it is smaller than and equal to C assigned A and B and then terminate semicolon. You terminate the program by the semicolon. So C is output which behave according to ending of input A and B. As behavior of ending of input A and B, the output will be your in form of C. Okay, so now take a look of software. This is your project navigator Xilinx software. You have to double click over this software. You can see here a window will pop up. Okay, so in this window what you have to do, you have to make a program. How to make your program? You can see here I have already made this program C assigned A and B. What you have to do, you have to just click over new project. As you click your new project, so what you have to name the project. The project name may be on your choice. It may be a number, it may be a name. Okay, so I just give a number 2552525. Okay, this is my number. The program will automatically save in my default C drive. HDL is a higher description language. Now next, this is my the pop-up window. This is the window which is default window. Okay, the pop-up window will default window. You don't need to change the setting. This setting is by default. Now you just click over next and add new sources. Here you have to select VHDL module because you are going to perform the practical on VHDL module. You can see here Verilog module and another VHDL test bench. So you just have to select a VHDL module. Give any random name. I have given random name, file name 33, then next. As you can see, this is asking the port name. A is my input, then B is my output, or B is my input, and C is my output. So I have to select here output. You can see here A, B, and C, these are input and output. Now I have to do next, then finish, and then I will just yes, and then next. So as I will just select next, then there is a summary and you are going to perform the practical over this. Okay, so this is your A and this is your the window where you have to write the program. The program would be C assigned A and B. Okay, so this is your program. Now AND is become blue, it is automatically saved. Now you have to just save the program. After then saving the program, you have to run the syntax error check. The syntax error check, it will check syntax completed successfully. It is showing. Okay. Now what you have to do, you have to just you can see here I am selecting the program from here. because I have already made this program. Okay, so you can see in my previous program which I have already made. Okay, so here you have to select the new source. So new source is your test bench waveform. You just name it randomly. Now again, okay, so we have the test bench waveform. Any another random name of test bench waveform. So here you can see something is going on, error is going on. So I will open here another project which I have already made in Xilinx, and I have performed the all operation over that. This is my project. I have done lots of work over this. So this is my program, and I have already synthesized the design in this program, over this program. So I just select the behavioral and run the simulator. So this is my output. So in output you can see here input, this is my input. When both input are high, then output will be high. What this program dealt with, when both input are high, output will be high. So this is my output of this program, okay, and this is my Xilinx simulator. Here is the okay. This is my simulation, and how to add the program I have briefly dealt you. So this is my first program of making of AND gate. So you can learn here the making of AND gate, how to make the AND gate program, okay. So I will next teach you another gate program which is from my XOR gate program, okay. So for that time, thank you student.